You've done everything right. You drink your water. You eat your fiber. You've tried prunes, metamucil, magnesium, maybe even a laxative or two when things got really bad. And yet here you are, still feeling bloated, still straining, still leaving the bathroom feeling like the job is only half finished. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know, you are not imagining it. And more importantly, it is not your fault. In this video, I'm going to show you something incredibly simple. A 3-cent morning drink that many seniors say helped them feel more regular, more comfortable, and noticeably lighter, often within just a few days. No gimmicks. No expensive supplements. No scary side effects. Stay until the end, because what I share might genuinely change your mornings. Let me start by explaining something that most doctors don't take enough time to tell you. When you were in your 30s and 40s, your colon was a well-oiled machine. It contracted in strong, coordinated waves, roughly every 90 seconds, to move food and waste through your body. Doctors call this peristalsis. You never had to think about it. It just worked. But here's what happens as we age. Research shows that by your 60s, those muscular waves can slow down by as much as 30 to 40%. By your mid-70s, they may slow even further. This is not because you're doing anything wrong. It's not a diet problem. It's not a water problem. It's simply a natural part of how the body changes over time. The nerves controlling your gut gradually become a little less efficient, a little quieter, a little more forgetful. And when that happens, when your gut slows down, a lot of the traditional advice stops working. Not because it was ever wrong, but because it was designed for a younger, faster digestive system. Before I show you exactly how to make this, I want to say something quickly.
The vast majority of people watching this video haven't subscribed yet. If this is useful to you, if it's teaching you something new, I'd genuinely appreciate it if you'd subscribe and give this a like. It helps more seniors find information like this. Thank you. Now, let's get into the recipe.
You only need 2 things. 3 whole cloves, whole, not ground. That part is important, and I'll tell you why in a moment. And 1 cup of filtered water, about 8 ounces. That's it. No honey, no lemon, no ginger. Just cloves and water. Here's exactly how to do it. The night before, place 3 whole cloves into your mug. Pour boiling water directly over them. Then cover the cup with a small plate or a saucer and leave it on your kitchen counter overnight. This slow overnight infusion gently pulls the natural oils out of the cloves without making the drink harsh or bitter. By morning, it's soft, mild, and easy on the stomach. In the morning, before you eat or drink anything else, yes, even before your coffee, gently warm the cup. Don't boil it again. Just warm it. Body temperature is perfect. Strain out the cloves. And sip it slowly. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes. Don't gulp it. Think of it the way you'd sip a cup of tea on a quiet, cold morning. Now, here is the most important warning I can give you. Do not use ground clove powder. Ground cloves release their oils too quickly and too aggressively. They can irritate a sensitive stomach, especially after 60 when the stomach lining is naturally a little more delicate. Always use whole cloves. And always use exactly 3. More is not better here. 3 is the gentle, sensible amount. Let me walk you through what many people experience when they start this habit, so you'll know what's normal. Day 1. You probably won't notice anything dramatic. Some people feel a gentle warmth in the stomach about 30 minutes after sipping. That's a perfectly good sign. Your body is responding. Day 2. Many people start to feel a little less bloated. That heavy, lingering feeling after meals isn't quite as noticeable. You might also notice a little more activity in your digestive system, a sign that things are beginning to wake up. Day 3. This is often when people have their first really satisfying bowel movement. Complete. Comfortable. Not a struggle. Some people say, "It felt like how things used to be years ago." If that happens for you on day 3, that's wonderful. For others, it takes a little longer. Every body is different. Days 4 through 7. most people start settling into a more predictable rhythm. Mornings become more comfortable. Some even notice feeling more energetic in the afternoons, likely because the body isn't working so hard anymore. What you should not feel is cramping or real discomfort. If you do, you may have used too many cloves or water that was too hot. Simply pull back to 2 cloves the next morning. And please, be patient with yourself. If day 7 comes and you haven't felt a big difference yet, don't stop. Some bodies, especially after years of slow digestion, simply need a little more time to respond. I understand what it feels like to watch your body change after 60. To feel like it doesn't respond the way it used to. To wonder if those easy, comfortable mornings are just gone. I want you to hear me when I say this. 3 cloves. 1 cup of warm water. Every morning before breakfast. Give it a week. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Just tell me, how old are you? And what's the one thing you've already tried that hasn't worked? Prunes? Metamucil? Magnesium? I read every single comment. Take care of yourself. You deserve to feel comfortable in your own body. I'll see you in the next video.